mixture of half studio set, half open time in the HV'Art Glaze. And I'm gonna apply with a roller. I find it to be the fastest way. A thin film. Even. So that with this, I will have probably 20 to 30 minutes of open time, which is plenty. Then I'm gonna take my spalter, my blue top, and all I'm gonna do is just, again, stretch that glaze to be as even as possible. This is a clear glaze, there's no color, but I wanna have it nice and even. So I have a nice, clear, very transparent, very sheer. So you see it's very shiny, it's perfect. Take now my 3-header, a 0.2 header, small 2 header, Chiqueteur, and my oil badger or bristle badger, which I like on this because it has a bit more strength. So keep this aside. Now I'm taking a little bit of my cup, which has a little bit of black in it, mostly this glaze. I pick up a little Prussian blue and black. So I have a very cold black. You could use pure black, I just find the blue to be a little bit more interesting. All right, now I'm gonna take my 3-header and I'm going to start stippling the black, this mixture of black into the fragments. So I'm a little careful not to hit the big white fragments at this point, the big white veins, as I would say, fissures. I'll show you what to do with those. If you touch them, it's not a big deal. With the Chiqueteur, I'm just gonna sort of even out some of those dogs quickly. And careful not to touch the main white veins. Well, I'm just gonna break down this little Chiqueteur so it's a little less obvious. A bit of the blue. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go across some of those veins. Look at this. Just to break down so they're not the same intensity. So look, this is going to be really powerful here. Now with my bristle badger, I'm going to smooth these out. Again, across the grain just to get a beautiful transparency. Look at that. Across and then always. Now this are a little strong here, so I'm just gonna deal with that so it doesn't, you don't see my brush strokes. I like that bristle badger because on an acrylic material, it has a bit more strength. So I can really blend, especially when the acrylic is starting to set a bit. So with this Spalter brush, a little fat, I'm just going to add a little bit of dark fragments inside the small one. Just it gives it a little bit more depth. You don't do every single one of them, but just some of the big ones, just to, again, create a nice amount of really strong little fragment.